Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I am playing Teardown. Oh man, it's been a long time since I played this. And today, my job is to destroy everything. Of course, you can tell I've been playing this game for a long time. But, I'm gonna go into it. So, I'm gonna see this one. I've never been to this one. I mean, I have. But, like, I haven't been to it for that long. What is Battle Royale? I've never seen that before. Guys, I will be doing deathmatch, team match, capital and flag in the other videos. And okay, go loading in. Banana man, less in details. Who doesn't? Bikes. Okay. Now, guys, I already made a video how to spawn stuff, but I've been showing you how to change the weather. So you want to quit out, push change weather, and use sunny, sunwise, sunny, foggy, light rain, sunset, night, rainy night, snowy night, and well, get out of it. But I don't want any of those, so I'm gonna get one with the sunset. Looks good. I gotta think what I'm thinking. I'm gonna blow that up. Okay. Rocket launcher. Yeah! Oh! 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 I didn't mean for that. Happen. Yeah! Let's go! Let's try it! Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't think I'd launch it. Oh. I didn't know rocket launchers cause files. That makes sense, right? But I just blew the chicken's head off. Stop. Ow! Stupid rocket launcher. Hey. Yeah! Oh, that's satisfying. Oh. Fall! Fall! I want to see more destruction. Come on. Fall! Fall! What the heck did I just say? Fall! Thank you. Oh. That's it. I'm getting my minigun. There we go. But today, guys, I'm not playing the actual. Well, I'm playing multiplayer and by myself. The multiplayer has better walls, by the way. Okay. Alright, what's in here? I don't like that. Oh, what's in here? Secret room. What's in the secret room? Computers, okay. Okay. What's in here? Okay. Ooh. Man, secret room's nice. Oh my! Okay. What's in here? Okay. I think I'm lost. What am I? Hang on, let me try to find my way out. I'll be right back. Okay. How did I get out of here? Ooh, flashlight? I didn't know that. I'm gonna get a flashlight. Guys, I'm pushing, to get a flashlight, I'm pushing F, by the way. Not that one, but, yeah, the F. Another secret room, dude? How many secret rooms are there? Okay, no secret room. kind of like that one. But you kidding me? What the heck is that? One half Vigrid meteor that was found in the town center 421 years ago. Okay, probably should destroy that. Passing project. That's wrong. Yeah! Oh, my favorite. It is not my favorite, guys. I'll show you what's my favorite. Let me find it. When I place all these everywhere and click one of my buttons, they will explode. And I'm talking about any kind of explode, like actually, really explode. You guys cannot believe what's about to happen. I want to click the button so bad, but I can't yet. Because you need to place a lot of these. Like, I'm talking about a lot. Not just any kind of lot. Ultra a lot. I need to place tons of these. Everywhere. All over the floor. But this thing, that thing is gonna get blown up. Like, actually, like, way blown up. I want to click the button so freaking bad. Oh! Actually, I click the button. I survived that? Oh, my game bot is lagging. But my game is lagging. What the heck is that now? Okay, well, that was easy. But my game is so laggy. My game is so laggy. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay. Guys, for real, I really want a lot more subscribers, okay guys? Like, I only have 3 subscribers, okay? I mean, have you guys give me a lot more subscribers, guys? I'll love it for you guys to do that. Please, would you just do that for me? I'd love it for you guys to do that. I'd love it for you guys to do that. It gives me a lot more subscribers, guys. Okay, anyway, because yeah! The Minecraft house. What's the upstairs level? Oh, I died. My bad. Oh, what's the... Oh! Oh, that's sense. Oh, what is... Yeah! Okay, let's get... Ooh, what does this do? Oh, I like this thing. Guys, watch. And then you got a perfect glass circle. Look at that. What the? What the heck did I just do? Yeah. It's a half a circle. I want a whole circle. Okay. I don't have to do this again. No, we don't have to. Oh, that's just satisfying. Okay, what are you doing right here? That sucked, dude. Let's do it again. Well, my job was to destroy everything. That's what it is. Okay. I died. Why did I have to die? Okay. Oh, I hit that one. Most of my stuff. Yeah. Goodbye. Wait, I'm gonna see where it goes. Where does it go? I got another guy. But guy, where you going? I sent you a friend. Want a friend? Well, it's gonna take a little while to get up there, but it's fine. Hey, what does this do even? That sucked, but okay. What's my Vox remover? What the heck is that? Wait, what was that? Pulse rifle. Oh! Yeah! Vox remover. Delete all dynamic shapes off. Okay, I did nothing. Delete all vehicles. P. Why that thing so zappy? Vehicle remover. M. Okay. B. B. Wait, what does M do? Oh yeah, I already said that. L. Extreme. Heat rate. Fast. Extreme. Booster. What now? What did that do? What does that do? Well, okay. Now, I'm gonna spawn a vehicle and see how fast I can make it. Bikes. It's my bike. Oh! No! Spawn. Whoosh bike. Come on, dude! Food. Yeah, food delivery. Place. Oh, man! I only wanted that. Aww. Black doesn't work. Okay. Guys, I have one thing that I want to test. Wait, do that again. That's one way to destroy the whole world. Oh, you guys see what I'm thinking? Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Oh boy. We're gonna spawn like semi trucks everywhere. This is a big map. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's stop spawning. Okay. Spawn. Propane. Spawn. Propane. Oh no. And not do that yet. Propane. Propane. Yeah, I thought I was gonna die, but we still respawn, so I'd be fine. Oh! I'm okay. Oh my. Dude. Should I? Should I? I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna get over it. I'm dead. 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 Dude, this is so good. I'm getting good. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Build up the whole building. No way, guys. It's time to get out the vacuum cleaner! Yeah. Okay, maybe it wasn't that good. Okay, guys, I need to go in the game a second. It's still lagging. Okay, guys, I need to give my game a second because it's still lagging. Okay, should be good. That's it. I'm just gonna do it. Stick all the stuff up. Look how laggy the game is, dude. Look how laggy the game is. Oh my gosh. Oh, this game is so laggy. Set the whole vehicle up. Get it. Give me it. No. Whoa. My game is so... Okay, I really need to give my game a break. Why does it get so laggy when I suck stuff up? Come on. Look at what happens when I jump. It takes like 15 hours to go down. Okay. Come on, I need to set everything up. I want to show the videos. Come on. I want to show the people. But it doesn't actually like to do that stuff. Vacuum. The vacuum has 295 and the cleaner has 5.29 trillion. Oh my! Guys, this is so laggy. What the heck happened to my game? What happened to my game? Okay, guys, I'm certainly sorry, but this is the end of this video. I'm gonna do something real quick. 5 seconds. Suck up something. Okay. Okay, guys, that's the end of today's video. So, gotta go. Bye!